Changing your username on Target is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Target website or open the Target app and log into your account using your current username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the menu under Account or Profile. Step 3. Select Username Change option. Look for the option that allows you to change your username. This may be labeled as Edit Username or Change Username. Step 4. Enter new username. Input your desired new username in the provided field. Make sure it meets any specified requirements such as character limits or uniqueness. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, save the changes. You may need to confirm your identity through an email or text verification. After completing these steps, your username should be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Target customer support for assistance.